Let's take front. Let's take front. Let's take front. All right. So let's see. Let's be sure before it goes down. It shouldn't go down. It's going up. It is going up. Let's pick front again. Let's go with 50. It may not take everything. Oh, why not? Come on. Let's see. Let's go with it. 50. Okay, let's see. I think we are good. Let's pick the higher price. Let's go with it, guys. Let's go with it. We bought it, guys. We bought it. Okay, so we bought it. Front looks like it's going up. So we are trying to take advantage of front, guys. So I'm just going to quickly take a screenshot of front that we have taken. And then we will come here and go all the way. What exactly is this one? Yeah, took it. How much did we buy it as? Let's go ahead and check it. Let's put that in there and let's be fast. Okay, we bought it in 2 portions. Okay, we bought it at look, I think it was I can't remember, guys. See, that was how much? 42, 49, 49.71. That's 82, 49.82. Yes, 49.82. I'm seeing it going up, guys. It is going up. It is going up. Let's get back into convert quickly and let's put that in there. Alrighty, so we're gonna put that in there. Don't forget our target is 2%. This was 49.82. Okay, so we should be looking at least 50.90 or something in that range. Okay, 50.90 or 51, something in that range. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's put front. They say it's hot. They say it's hot. Yes, it is. Oh my God, let's see what's going on. Interesting. Front is hot. Let's put this at 179. What's that going to give us? Is it giving us anything? Nothing much. Let's put this in 8. Let's see. Okay. 8.1. 8.1. Yeah. 8.2 is fine, guys. I think we're good with 8.2. Or maybe let me see 8.3. That's a bit more. 8.01. No. 8.21. Okay. Let's put at 8.2. 8.2 is fine. 8.2 is fine. It's just $1, guys. Our 2% rule. Okay, what is a good and bad RSI for 1 hour? Okay, well, I use the 14 period RSI. Let me show you. That is the 14. Oh, it's going down a bit now. That's the 14 period RSI. Look at indicators. Let me go to RSI. Someone asked me this question today, that what is the setting for my RSI? Actually, in Binance, they give you all the 3. They give you period. You can change the periods. You can, change it to whatever you want. But I only chose period 14, which I'm fine with. And I deselected the other because you can actually pick the others if you want. I don't want those ones. I just only want one, which is period 14. It's just the default settings, but it's just period 14. All right. Do you get it? Yeah. That's the one I use. So let's see what is going on currently right now. Okay. It looks like it's having a little pullback. Yeah, let's hope it just quickly goes and then it gives us what we are looking for. Check front. I haven't checked what's going on with front. Let's see what's going on with front. Front, are you doing well? I hope you are. Front, front looks like it's going up. It was having that little pull, but it looks like it's gonna go. I hope it is gonna go. What exactly did we put it as? I can't remember. What was it supposed to execute as? I cannot remember, guys. Let me check. Okay, let's check. Let's see whether this is actually working. This is 7958. Oh my God, I hope it is going up. Don't go down at this point. You gotta go, guys. You gotta go. Yes, we gotta have some, executions. Let me check the limit. Let me see what the prices that we put them as, because I can't remember. Front is supposed to execute 8.2. 8.2, here we come. 8.2. Okay, looks like it's close. Let's wait and see, guys. Looks like it's close. Yeah, let's keep on going. Front is in front, guys. Front has executed. Awesome. I love it. Can you see front has executed? Oh my God. Let's quickly go and do Let's go and do what exactly it is. I love to see this, guys. I love it, love it, love it. So let's go and see. Let's calculate it, guys. 50.90. Okay. Let's go and see how much that has given us. I love it when trades execute. Front is good. I don't know whether I want to take that again. I'll check it out. We bought 40. Oh, we bought 49. You can see in two parts, so 49 and then what, 71 plus 1, that's 82, 49.82, 49.82, and we got 50.90. Let us go and check how much that is giving us, okay? 50.90, guys, 50.90. Let me sound like British. 50.90 minus, okay, that my British friends like me today. 50.90 minus 49.82. So we got $1.08. Come on, what do you think about that? That is awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, so we have $1.08. And then we have to check how much percentage profit that is. Okay, this is a $50 trade, so 2% plus. That's what we got. So I'm just going to quickly do this 49.82 to get that 49.82. All right, 49.82 times what? Let's see, times 2.2. That was 8, right? Yes, 108. I just say 118. Yes, 18 or 17. Okay, 2.17%. That is good. 2.17% is what we got for this trade. That is lovely, guys. That is awesome. That is good. Yeah, we got 2.17%. Like I said, I'm just dancing around the 2% plus because you want to quickly get in and get out. Now, if I go back and check, we might likely be able to take the trade again. But it depends on the parameters, guys. It's only the parameters that will determine front. Oh, front. Are you going up? It looks like it's going up, guys. Can I still take this 177? I think I want to try it one more time, guys. Let us try this one more time. Should we try it one more time? Let me see. I think I'll take it one more time. I think I will take this one more time. Let's put it in there, guys. Let's take it one more time. Oh, no, this is not enough. This is not enough. Okay, this is not enough. What is it? Why is it not picking up the entire thing? Let's put 50 here. Let's drop that. Why is it not picking it? It's not picking enough. Okay, let's put that enough very well. 50. And then let's see. Is it going up? Can we pick this one? 27 again. Let's see. Did it go? It looks like it went. It looks like it went. Okay, so it went, guys. Let's set our 2% again. So front here, we come again, round 2, okay? Round 2, let's hope this time around that you will do well and you will give us what we are looking for. So we are in front 2, guys. Front 2. Front 2, here we come. Front is hot. It's hot. You can see it even has hot inside in front of it. USDT. Okay, let's put that here. Okay, you can see, let's put in the max. We are looking for 2%. So all we want, let's put this in 8.5 or 8.8. Let's see whether we can get something, 2%. How much did we buy it? I don't know why I'm not checking that. How much did we buy it? That was the first thing I'm supposed to check. First thing is 49.77. 49.77. Okay, let's go. Limit. 49.77. That's what we need to check. Front. And then we will put USDT. Okay, 49.77, put in the max. So let's see, we are going to put 8.8 here and see what will that be. Oh, I need it to be more than that, 8.9. I think I'm cool with this. 49.77, 50.99 is fine. Let's go with it. So that's 2% plus, okay? 2% plus is what we just want to have. Once we have at least $1 above that, we are cool, okay? That will be cool. So currently we're in the queue. Front again is in the queue, guys. Front is in the queue. We are looking to get to 1.89. Let's go see where it is right now. 1.89, guys. That's what we are hoping to get. Will it get there? I don't know, guys. I don't know. That was how we did the other one and it went. So let's check it out. It's currently, it went all the 8 to 8.5. Okay, let's hope it gets to 8.9. That's what we are waiting for. Okay, I do hope it does. And it has heart right in front of it. Good, it has executed. Front 2 has executed, guys. Can you see that? Front 2 has executed. Yip, 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 yip. Hooray! Oh my God, I hope you're enjoying what I am doing here. Can you see that we took front? I mean, front is like it's still giving, guys. Front is still giving. Oh, look at front. Look at front at 81. Ah, no, I'm not taking it again. It's already past 81. Look at it, guys. Okay, let's go and see how much did we spend on front 2. Okay, let's check. How much did we spend on front 2? We spent 49.77. Okay. And how much did it give us? How much did it give us? Let's go and see. See, we've got front 2 here, 50.97. Let me turn to my British accent, okay? We have actually, we've got our front 2 executed. So let's go do the calculations, guys. Let's go do the calculations. We have 50.97 and minus 49.77. That's already $1.20. I can tell that. At least I can do that calculation offhand, but it's good to still go and do the calculation of the profit potential. All right, guys, let's check that out. So we've got 50.97 minus 49.77. That's $1.20. You know, I told you I'm a sharp girl. Yeah, I know my mathematics. So we're going to check out the percentage profit. That's 49.77. That's times, let's try 2.4, guys. I don't know, 2.4. Yeah, something in that range, 2.4, 2.42. Yeah, 2.41. I think 2.41 would, no, 2.42 is fine. 2.42, we've got that $1.20. Oh my God, we made 2.42% on front 2. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my God, guys, can you see what is going on? Oh my God, see front is flying. Front is flying, but I'm not taking it again. I'm not taking it again. It's already beyond 82. I'm not taking anything I take now will be at a risk. I have learned to control myself. Yes, I have learned to do that.